Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So basically, I started a challenge with 100 million US dollars. It's a paper trading account. I will trade with stocks and I will use different tools. And with these videos, I will give you information how I did and how you could pick the stocks. And the purpose of the channel is absolutely entertainment, and it's not financial advice or anything. For example, I use different AI tools or just the tools to see the stock price and IPO, etc., etc. So let's start to pick the stocks. First of all, I will dive into Twitter X sometime because I should see what kind of stocks, how they are performing, etc., etc. So as you see here, there are a lot of accounts. There are a lot of investors and traders which are tweeting, and we can see them and we can learn a lot of things from them. In terms of that, we can pick the stocks. So one of my favorite trader is Webull. He's live right now, and he tells detailed information about each stock, and we could pick the stocks and we'll see. And after picking them, for sure I will analyze and see the earnings, etc., etc. So here he posts about ONS. ONS announces 6 million in new order center US system from defense and homeland security customer in the Middle East. And so let's speak in terms of the sectors. Mhm. Food is good right now. It's outperforming. During the last months, each stock dropped dramatically, as you see in the stock market. Not only in the stock market, but the whole market is changing the directions. It's in a huge correction, even the crypto and other features and bonds. So let's start with chip industry. Let's see Nvidia, how it's performing. Today is also they are dropping, and not in a huge percentages, but uh, maybe at the end of the day it will be green, all the stocks. So what we got here, and Oracle, we have Oracle, and the earnings is coming for Oracle. It is in 10th of March, and I will use these indicators to see the volume of the stock, for example RSCI and this SMACD. In terms of that, I can see the stock is oversold or overbought. How is the volume? For example, as you see here, the volume is very huge. Here we see the chart, and I use Anchored to see the average price during the term, and you could use also this to pick the stocks. Here is, as you see, it's not a huge difference in terms of the last days, and in longer term, for example in this term from July 30 till today, the stock price performed generally 8.6. So let's see the news on the X, what they are telling about ONDS. ONDS receives a new order for counter drone, and they are receiving many orders. And here the other best trader, Jake Wujastik, he is one of the best to pick the stocks with its volume. I learned the volume analysis from him. He has also a YouTube channel, you can see. And the others top pick according to X algorithm on this in 2026. So other wheels also showing that the stock price could go which way, and in terms of that we could see. I use also Perplexity to see the stocks, and ONDS, and it's showing me data deeply, and it's good actually. It's good tool to pick the stocks to see every detail. For example, as you see here, we can see the holders of the stock, Vanguard Corporation and other asset management companies, BlackRock, etc., etc. So in analysis, we can see which analysis put the price target. In terms of historical data, we can see the prices in last days or last month. So basically, we can see here the stock news. What I'm going to do right now, I need to see the politicians which are holding right now on this. As you see, there is no any politician. I don't know if it's true or not in Perplexity, but I didn't see any of them. So insiders, we can see the sales, purchases and acquisitions. So let's jump in to financials. I need to deeply see the key statistics about the your financials, because financials is one of the most crucial part of the stocks to pick. First of all, the fundamentals are the only way to be a profitable trader, I think, because after fundamentals you can see their technical analysis and sentimental analysis. If the stock's fundamental analysis is bad, it's with a very low probability to get the profit from the stock. So we can see the data from 2021 till 2024. and quarterly. So basically the stock is good for long term, and as you see, many traders and investors are picking this stock and giving advice on the Twitter. So let's go for the first stock, oil. So we buy the oil here, simulated buy. I will buy around, say, I think there is limit here till 1 million stocks. So I pick 1 million, simulated to buy on it. So basically we can see here 1 million stocks quantity, and I'll open the position, average price 10.85, etc, etc. So we used our 10 million to buy the estimated amount, more than 10 million, to buy one stock, and we'll check the second stock. For today I will just pick two stocks, and we will see the coming terms, because it's Friday and probably on Monday everything will be red, and each drops will be, I think. And by the way, I'm using most of my tools are free tools, they are not pro. I just use pro perplexity, and the rest is, I think, free. For example, this trading view and stock analysis are free. Polymarket, and of course it's free. And let's pick the other stock. Let's see, oil industry. Hit the screener by perplexity. You can write anything in the about the stock. It will show automatically which are the stocks you want to see. So we have a lot of stocks. Let's see XCOM. Let's pick the oil one stock, because the oil is critically reserved for each country, and the last news is showing the demand for the oil, and naturally the stock price gonna increase. Let's pick on this but XCOM mobile with market day trading, so quantity is around, let's say, 10,000. How much it will be? 1.5 million. So we can put another 90,000, and insufficient funds order. Oh, 90,000, not 900. Simulated. Let's go. So today I picked two stocks, and we will see how it will perform in the Monday. And we have a bunch of cash, 74 million US dollar, and it is the paper account. Paper account is one of the best way to learn actually how to trade, how to invest, and etc, etc. So next video will be around after 2 or 3 days after the market opens, because we should trade when the market is open. We will see when we can make this amount double X. There is many great names here. Many of them are drone industry. So see you in the next video.